Hi, it's Nick Bond from Harcourts, and today I'm excited to bring to the market number 100 Wattle Hill Road in Mountain River. This fully renovated home feels just like new inside and features this huge open plan living, dining, kitchen area on the upper level as the centre feature point of the home. Has views up to Sleeping Beauty in the distance, sitting on 26 acres of mostly pasture with bushland areas around the fringes, dams, a winter creek, scheme water and so much more. Property features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, multiple living areas and 2 kitchens. The master suite is located on one end of the home and would be easy to be separated as a self-contained unit and features a huge ensuite larger than most main bathrooms. The home has had significant energy efficiency improvements including PVC, double glazed windows and doors, insulation and a state-of-the-art hydronic heating system. Thanks for taking the time to look around this beautiful, secluded property in Mountain River. I'd love to see you here for a private inspection so that you can see if number 100 Wattle Hill Road is the next fit for you and your family.